Hello. So we've just come down the allotment just to catch up, see what's going on, and I've just bought the latest versions of the Kitchen Garden magazine and the Easy Veg Garden magazine. So these will be packed with seeds today, so I'll show you what seeds they got. So looking at the packets, this bumper pack, and this one's got 15 seed packs, biggest ever issue, £50 worth of goodies inside. So let's have a look and see what these have got. So let's have a look at what we got. So this one is Veg Garden. This is grow your own. Doesn't exactly say it is on the label. Well, anyway, let's have a look what's in here. So I bought these when they come out sale beginning of the month. I've had it in the car for a little while, but it's been a bit windy. So let's got a few seeds. So runner bean, scarlet emperor, sow under glass in April. We got some tomatoes, Rio Grande, great tomato for sauce or juice. Celery, Tango F1, sow under glass March and April. Beetroot Bolt Hardy, this is one for February. We could do some of this. Put that one aside. Radish French breakfast, we can do that now for February. Broccoli Autumn Calabrese, these are quite good. At least these are going to be done, probably all of these. Chili pepper, anime, mild and full of flavour. So this can be sown under glass February, March. So that's quite a good one, might do that one. And cauliflower all year round. So a good selection of seeds on that patch, plus there's some more. And we have Amsterdam Forcing 3. That can be done under glass in February. Parsley, this can be done all year round. Lettuce all year round. This can be sown March, April, May. Spring onion, from March onwards, fresh salad onions. So all these are looking quite good, ones that we can use. Turnip, a snowball, that looks interesting. A white turnip. Easy to grow, that's what we need, easy to grow. From May onwards, so that's one for May. Courgette, they're quite a good selection of ones for this magazine. And I've actually noticed this is actually called Your Easy Veg Garden. So I don't know what happened to grow your own. I thought this was grow your own. Anyway, that's a good one. And onion, Red Baron. And it also comes with a 2020 year calendar, which is quite handy. So I'm not quite sure. It says Your Easy Veg Garden, grow your own. I'm a bit confused. So I don't know. They've changed name, I'm not sure. But anyway, there's a good selection of seeds. And then magazine, Your Easy Veg Garden. So it's how to grow your onions, how to grow beetroot, how to grow lettuce, how to grow runner beans, how to grow chilies, cauliflower, radishes, courgettes. This is a nice little book. How to grow potatoes, tools, preparing your plot, compost bins, newspaper pots. Yeah, quite nice. Nice little magazine. Not quite sure the score of that, but anyway, that's a good selection of seeds, and we can use most of those. A couple of those that we won't, but anyway, let's look at the next one. So we put these aside. As you can see, storm is brewing again for this weekend. But it's only Thursday, and we've had a bit of a casualty on one of the plots. One of the sheds is tipping up, so that's not good. So I've just informed the plot holder, and I've potted up my giant cabbage, so they're looking good, and some of my board beans coming up good. But anyway, this one now, we've got kitchen garden, planting straw bales, make a mini greenhouse. I want to kind of try and do something like this on the front of my shed. That'd be a good idea. So let's take a look at the seeds we got here. So we've got a few seeds in this go, and we have lettuce, little gem. This can be done in February. Outstanding flavour and texture. Swiss chard. I did Swiss chard last year. This can be done from March. I want to do the rainbow chard. I really want to do that, just for the colours. Mixy spicy leaves, salad leaves. This can be done all year round. Another one, white onion. Spring onion, white Lisbon. This can be done from February. So that's another one for the February list. And aubergine. These can be done from January. Probably need some heat in a greenhouse or patio. So I might go and try some aubergines. On the next packet, we have Gardener's Delight. So we've got plenty of tomatoes. One of the most popular varieties, prolific cropper, producing many trusses of bright red small fruits with a truly outstanding flavour. So that'd be good. Did well on my tomatoes down the polytunnel. Celery, golden self-blanching. Not a great fan of celery, so probably won't be doing that one. Beetroot bolt hardy again. This can be done from February, March. So we're going to do some of that. Chantenay red carrots. Immensely popular variety. Stump rooted with deep orange colour. We did some of these last year. My carrots is not that great, but we can always try harder. And calabrese, green sprouting. So that's all that we got for Kitchen Garden magazine. So I wouldn't say I will use a few of those. Yeah, probably most of those. But anyway, that's what we got. And we've also got a book, Container Gardening, Growing Vegetables, Herbs, Flowers in Containers. So that might be an interesting read. And then the magazine itself. So making your greenhouse, tools, show time. So yeah. There we go. Right, I'm certainly pleased with this one. So that's the 2 magazines. So I will have to look into what happened to grow your own, because I'm not quite sure. But anyway, I will read up and see. So I hope you find that interesting, and I'll do a quick show of what we got here, and look out for the video of February's sowings. Can't even remember what we got here. Oh, some marigolds in here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and ring the bell and get some notifications when I post some more. So look out for the February posting, and we'll see you soon. I'll leave you with my all year round cauliflower doing well. Thank you very much.